What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a banger because we're going to be talking about if I could go back and modify my truck from stock again, what would I do differently? That's what I'm here to share with you guys today. So if you're at all interested in today's video, please leave an early like, a comment, and a subscription. But without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So yeah, I think the main point of this video is hindsight is 2020. There's a lot of stuff I've done to my Toyota Tacoma. I'll put on, some videos of it now. I've done a lot to it and I couldn't be any happier, or could I? There's obviously always something more that you would like to do or something else you would have done, and that's what I'm here to talk to you guys about today. So if you are on the fence, you don't know exactly what you want to do with your Tacoma, I'm going to go over what I've done to mine today. Let's start with the main deal, wheels and tires. If I could go back and do anything different in regards to my wheels and tires. So right now I'm running a 17/9 with a -12 offset. It's a pretty big wheel and it's a pretty wide wheel. For comparison, most people are running a 17/8, 17/8.5. It may not seem like a lot, but those 0.5 inches, that extra inch, is a lot when you're rubbing on your cab mount shop, rubbing the front fenders. So it may not seem like a lot, but it's definitely there. 17/9, if I could, I would go back and maybe run like a 17/8, a 17/8.5 at most. I was still very new and I thought I understood what it was, but kind of just said screw it and went for it. I love how wide the wheel is, but I would have changed the tire size. Let's say now I have a 17/9. You don't want to go and try to return $800 worth of wheels. It just depends where you are. But me, my next tire size, whenever I get done with these Falcon Wild Peaks, probably going to go with the 275/70/17, making it a little bit narrower and still giving me that very wide look, but saving me a little bit more wiggle room, a little bit more room to flex, so on and so forth. As far as wheels and tires, I would go with the 17/8.5 with a 285/70/17. I feel like that is perfect. That is just right for, an everyday driver, but also an off-roader. 17/9 is pushing it a little bit in my opinion, but we all have our preference. If you are gonna go with the 17/9 though, I would say stick with 275/70/17s. All right, so the second thing that if I could go back, I would change is my lift kit. Most people go with what they see is most common. In my case, I went with what I saw was most common. If you look up Toyota Tacoma lift kit, you'll see Bilstein, then you'll run into rough country, Fox, but you kind of climb the price range or you go down in the price range. It just depends where you are financially and I guess how crazy you are in modifying and off-roading your truck. In my case, I was like right there. I didn't want to spend too much on the lift kit, so I just went with Bilstein because, well, it seemed like the most affordable thing and the most reputable thing, so I thought, why not? I ended up going with the Bilstein 5100. Those were actually super good. I love them. I don't have any problems with them. If I could go back, I would actually go with a 3-inch rough country lift. I would have done that just for more content. So it would have been easier for me to, test out what a block spacer lift is like, because some people complain about it, some people love it, other people are absolutely gonna throw you in a pit of fire if you decide to use it. And me, well, I don't know. I only have heard bad things about it, but I've never really personally had it. If I could, I'd go back and I'd work my way up. I would start with the cheap, non-expensive lift kit, see how I like it, see if it's worth it to me, see what I can get away with, and well, if I like it, well, then I stay with it. If I don't, I upgrade. But I kind of just skipped and just went for what I saw. There's a lot of research online, and for the reasons of people saying it was uncomfortable, things broke, things wore wrong, I was like, well, I'll just go with Bilstein. Number 3, the third thing that I would change or do differently is leave a like, a comment, and a subscription on this video. I gotcha. If I gotcha, you have to leave a like, comment, and a subscription on the video. All right, cool beans. I talk to a lot of people on Facebook. I talk to a lot of you guys in the comment section. I appreciate your comments, by the way. But a lot of people do it kind of, I would say, the right way. I did it backwards. You guys go out, you get your windows tinted, you change out your headlights, your tail lights, you debadge, you black out things, so on and so forth. Then you go ahead, once your tires have worn out, you get new tires. Then once you get new tires, then you get a lift kit. Then once you get a lift kit, you get new wheels. I actually didn't get my windows tinted, didn't change my headlights, didn't change my tail lights, didn't debadge, and got a lift kit and tires. So now the truck is not looking as complete as I want it to. Not a problem because we still have time to, change everything around. But if I could, I would go back and, start off with the window tint, change out headlights, change out some tail lights, and then start doing my lift kit. But I kind of got the itch for the lift, and well, we're here now with the lifted Tacoma and non-tinted windows, which I need to find a place to do it. That's all for me. Let me know if you guys have modified your truck and if there's anything that you wish you would have done before instead of after. So with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.